dear colleagues. This period of pandemic era has changed many things in our life. What is not changed is our passion in dentistry and the need to improve our knowledge. In this new environment, we would like to present my lecture that will be held online on the 15th of October, 2 p.m. regarding the aspect in anterior restorations and in vital and non-vital tooth for a global approach regarding materials, instrumentation for the excellence in everyday practice. Simple is not easy, but if you follow one protocol, a strict protocol, you can gain success every day. So I wait for you for the Sofia Dental meeting for this big congress with many distinguished speakers and friends. See you there.